I just keep getting it flopped over. It's beak at the... Hey. 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 Why'd you hit the lambda for? Really? Hey. Dude. You're supposed to fly away. You actually knocked some sense into him, I think. Hey.
I think
it's fell over again, didn't you?
I think he's knocked out still.
Yep. Hey. Hello. How many times have you hit this window? Has it been you this whole time? Hey. I just kept it picking up.
He's blinking.
Yeah, he's blinking. It's just like he's dumb.
He's stupid?
Let's see what happens.
Oh!
Hey! Hey.
He's moving.
Hey, wake up. How often can you reach down and pet a wild red robin? Come on now. Wake up. See if we can do it again.
Whoa! He's not throwing him.
He still ain't got his senses about him. See, look at his foot.
I think it's why he's not moving. No, it wasn't like that a minute ago.
There we go.
There it is. You gonna move?
Let me get some breadcrumbs.
You gonna move? I guess after you hit a window, you become dumb. I don't know. I'm gonna try to feed the bird. Right now, somebody put some bread. Man. See if he'll eat something. See if he'll eat something. Or she'll eat something.
Check what?
See if she'll eat. She's kind of moving a little bit.
Eat some bread.
Leave so many pieces so you know if it's been eaten.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Ah! Okay. There's how many we got?
8 pieces.
I'm trying to see where it hit.
The window's good.
Which one? I think it was this one. But I don't see no marks. How many times can you pet a wild red robin?
I like his little mohawk thing he's got going. I got it going too, see?
It's like, you got the mohawk. The mohawk.
This is crazy.
He's going. Wow. Well,
okay.
I guess we'll just let him sit out here and see if he flies off. Maybe he wakes up. Bye, Mr. Cardinal. Or Red Robin. Or whatever. Bye. Well, we'll see if he eats. If he does, he'll fly away.